Here we have a Volkswagen T-Roc. It's a 1.5 litre TSI SEL Evo 150 PS. The car is in great shape and has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, radar sensor controlled distance monitor, lane assist, Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, a fatigue detection system, and these 18-inch Arlo alloy wheels. Now, looking at the boot, it's huge, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2-zone climate control, an 8-inch colour touchscreen, and a 10.3-inch high-resolution TFT dash display. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.